many different breeds do you have?
20 different breeds. 20. It's just the reason we've got 20 different breeds is we never thought we'd get into that many breeds, as people just kept asking for them. Why don't you raise this kind? Why don't you raise that kind? And to keep our clientele happy, that's what we had to do.
Got it.
And
how many dogs do you have in general?
we have right around 200 adults. And you're looking right around at 80 puppies in this building. And they all find homes eventually.
Who works here?
Just my wife and I.
300 dogs and you and your wife.
Right.
Wait, say that again.
300 dogs, my wife and I, because it's our thing that we do.